In the changing landscape of the financial world, accountants have more opportunities to earn money than ever before. From traditional roles to newer, more innovative avenues, the road to increased income is diverse and rewarding. Firstly, consider offering freelance accounting services. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com to your advantage. Here, you can provide an array of services such as bookkeeping, tax preparation, or financial consulting. Imagine helping a small business navigate their financials, or providing individuals with much-needed tax assistance during the hectic tax season. Next, there's the world of consulting. As an accountant, you can offer your specialized knowledge to businesses or individuals who need it. You can delve into forensic accounting, helping firms investigate financial irregularities. Alternatively, you could provide advisory services, assisting businesses in compliance with accounting regulations and standards. Mergers, acquisitions, business valuations, these are all areas where your expertise could be invaluable. Then, there's tax planning and advisory. As an accountant, you can help businesses and individuals maximize their tax deductions and minimize liabilities. Offer tax planning services year-round, or specialize in complex situations such as international tax planning or estate tax planning. You could even represent clients in tax audits or disputes with tax authorities. Financial coaching and education is another avenue. With your knowledge, you can help people improve their financial literacy. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions, conduct workshops, or create online courses. Your guidance could help individuals achieve their financial goals. Lastly, consider content creation. Use platforms like YouTube, blogs, or podcasts to share your expertise. You could start a YouTube channel offering tutorials on accounting software, write blog posts on finance topics, or host a podcast discussing current trends in the financial world. Monetize your content through sponsorships and ads, and you've got another income stream. In summary, the opportunities for accountants to earn income are vast and varied. Whether it's through freelance services, consulting, tax advisory, financial coaching, or content creation, you can leverage your skills and expertise in myriad ways. Remember, the key is to diversify and find the right balance that suits your lifestyle and meets your financial goals.